Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free PS Plus in 2025. So what you want to do is go to this site, ogsnags.com. They're super cool. So as you can see, this site has a bunch of different promo codes and stuff. So I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm just going to go ahead and type in PS Plus. So let me just go ahead and put it in right here. And as you can see, it says PS Plus promo codes. So I'm going to press on it and then I'm going to go ahead and press show coupon code and it's going to generate. So let's just wait for this to load. So once it loads up, guys, I'm going to go ahead and press get full code. And before we can actually get our PS Plus, it's going to ask us what we like the most about shopping at Amazon. So we need to pick the best answer to get our PS Plus. Now it actually doesn't matter. I'm just going to do super fast shipping. But anyway, now we need to enter our email address. So let me just go ahead and type this in right here so you guys can see. So after you enter your email, it's going to say activating your reward, and just going to go ahead and register. So we just got to fill out all our information, guys. So this is very important, obviously, guys, to get PS Plus. So let me just go ahead and do it right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to type it in. Pretty cool. All right, let me just go ahead and enter this right here so you guys can see. All right, so then we're just going to go ahead and fill this out. So basically, guys, after you fill this out, we just need to go ahead and do a survey, guys, which is very easy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to answer all the questions. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. So some of you guys may have never done the survey, but trust me, guys, it is pretty easy. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just answering all the questions. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. All right, so after you do the survey, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and press like I agree and continue. So let me just go ahead and finish this right here so you can see. All right. Okay, so let me just go ahead and finish up with this. So I'm gonna press I agree and continue. And then we just need to go ahead and wait for this to load. So basically, we're gonna let it load and let's just wait. So basically it's gonna tell us that everything is done. So let's just wait. So it says survey done, optional offers finished, and then the deals. So this is pretty easy, guys. We just gotta do the deals here, as you can see. So they got the deals, so you just go ahead and do one. So you just press no, and then yeah. So I don't really get involved with the deals, but I just wanted to show it to you guys. So for instance, like reach level 18 on Monopoly Go, and it tells you how to do it. So whatever deal you have that shows up, just go ahead and complete it, guys.